Okay, crew, welcome back to the channel. Today video we're gonna do some air fried Alaska sockeye salmon, and we're gonna let it thaw out, and then we're gonna season it and put it in the air fryer. And I'm gonna take y'all along the process with me. And also the queen about to do some yams. So what else we gonna have with it?
I have no idea.
So she's working right here. She just put her butter in the pot.
That pot don't supposed to be on that high.
Want me to turn it down for you? So, y'all stick around if y'all want to see the full video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Make sure you set the bell notifications to all. Like the videos and comment on the videos. And I just want to say thank you again to the crew, our family, for helping your boy out. We finally monetized on Cooking with the Crew channel. So thank y'all once again. And I'll bring y'all back as soon as the queen get ready to do her sweet potatoes. Okay, crew. She had the butter melted and she put cinnamon and nutmeg in her butter. And right here, she have 2 cups of packed light brown sugar and a teaspoon of salt. And now she's gonna go in with her vanilla flavoring.
And it's imitation, so you can use a little bit extra.
Yeah. Or if you got the real deal, you know, about a tablespoon should be enough. That's a little over a tablespoon.
And you just taste it and do it to your liking. Some people don't like add brown sugar, some people just do white. Some people do a little bit of both, which I'm gonna do. And it's your dish, make it yours. This is just how I do mine. Excuse me.
And guys, instead of me putting the fish in the air fryer, I'm gonna actually put it in the oven.
So I can put my shit in.
And she's gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter.
In addition to the 2 sticks.
Right. And let them know how much sugar you have there, ma'am.
This is 1 cup of white granulated sugar. And my butter is salty. I have salted butter, so it will. Think about it.
Balance everything out.
Yeah, balance. That's what I was looking for.
So guys, I know she's making the sweet potato yams, whatever you want to call them, but I'm going to use some of her yams and I'm going to do a twist on them for our fish. So y'all going to see that. So y'all stick around so y'all can see what I'm going to do.
The only thing I'm about to do now is turn this up on high, let it come to a rolling boil. Gotta make it alright. They drained off my Jordan. Drained off my sweet potatoes really well. Okay, I'm gonna have to drain them some more. I don't want none of the liquid.
It wasn't for the liquid.
I don't want no liquid.
What that?
I don't want that liquid. I like it. Even though it's in heavy syrup. And it was this. How many you need out? Or do you know?
No.
Because not too many people really gonna eat sweet potatoes. I just had a taste for some sweet potatoes, so I named it some. You don't know how many you need. They got 3 left in here. Is that good?
That should be enough.
Well, actually, they got 4. How many you need? That's 4 left in there.
That should be enough right there.
I can't take this big one out right here.
Go ahead, love.
How about if I take this big one out and just give you this one here? How about that?
Nah, that'll be enough that's in there.
You sure?
Yeah, hold on. Nah.
That's good right there? Okay.
That'll be.
See, compromise. I just wanted that big one. I see. Like I said, nobody really gonna eat sweet potato. Probably just me, mama, and mommy. And I'll probably eat most of them. I can eat all these sweet potatoes here, to be honest. That just looks so good.
Multitasking while on camera. Since the queen was over here doing that. There you go, love.
Thank you. Now, if I had fresh potatoes, I would definitely boil them first. Not boil them, Lord. I will bake them first. Still do the same sauce that I did. Butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, brown sugar, white sugar, and some salt. And then I'll pour it over, put it back in the oven. But since I have canned sweet potatoes for a quicker meal, that's what we do. And like I said, I don't ever use the sauce that come in a can. I make my own. I always make your own. And just pour it over those taters. Do you want a little bit of this sauce in there?
Yep.
How much you need? Because you know I'm heavy-handed.
Just enough to joke.
Yeah. This sauce is good on some ice cream, y'all. That's enough right there?
Yeah, man.
Okay. You sure?
I'm positive.
All you're doing is making sure the sweet potatoes are covered. If you're on a diet, don't do this. You know, if you're on a diet, don't do this. Feel me? I gotta get this off the gas. That smells good on my nose. I'm gonna cover it with a piece of aluminum foil. Pop it in the oven.
And the oven is at 350 degrees. And how long you gonna cook them, baby?
Probably about 40 minutes, to be honest.
Okay, so she's gonna do it 350 degrees, cover for 40 minutes. And once that's done, I'll bring you back. Okay, crew, here's sweet potatoes, aka yams. This is what it look like. They look real good. Okay, crew, so we thawed out our salmon and we have it dried, the meat, the flesh part and the skin part, and we're gonna do it in the oven. So I'm gonna take some butter flavored cooking spray. This will help with the crispiness on the skin. I'm not gonna season the skin part. So we have our salmon here that we have dried. And let us know how you've been doing in the comment section. We all been doing well. And thank you all for the prayers for our beloved mother, Margaret. Continue to send them prayers up for her. We truly appreciate it. So we're going to start here with some salt. And we're going to lightly salt our fish. That's all the salt we're going to put. Then we're going to go in with our Cajun season. If it act right. Then our Tony Savory's Creole seasoning. And And we're not gonna heavily season this. We wanna make sure that we get the flavor of the fish. And we're gonna go in with some garlic and herb salt-free seasoning. And if you have any ideas on what you would like to see us cook, please let us know in the comment section. So this all we're gonna do, we're gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. And when I get to bring it out, I'll bring you guys back. And yes, I'm gonna cook it uncovered. So we'll be right back once it's ready. Okay, crew, so we have the canned yams that the queen was making. I took a few and I just put some butter in there. And I'm gonna add a little nutmeg, a little cinnamon, and I use a half a tablespoon of white sugar. I'm just gonna mix this up. Okay, and we have the sauce right here that we mixed up. So we're gonna plate our dish. It's like a savory dish. And we're going to take our salmon and we're going to set it directly on top. And the sauce right here that Queen made for her yams. I'm just going to and there you go. You have a healthy dish that has yams, your fish, your protein, omega-3s, and it's quick and easy, and it doesn't take long. I'm gonna show y'all a close-up. Okay, crew, here's the finished look of it, and it's a savory dish. The saltiness and the sweetness goes great together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please thumbs up the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And make sure you set post notifications to all. And comment on the video. And we'll catch y'all in the next video. We out. Cool it is.